Hello, good morning. My name is Alessandro Cassetti. I'm working for Johnson & Johnson, Janssen site, Pharmaceutical site. I'm here presenting the continuous manufacturing technology as an innovation for the pharmaceutical environment. Our presentation was around continuous manufacturing technologies. We presented the experience that Johnson & Johnson had around these technologies, also challenges that we received from health authorities in the submission of these new technologies. Also, we provided clear example of the application for some products that we have commercialized. I took part of the presentation for the topics related to the Industry 4.0, and that topic was really interesting to me also because it's connected to the innovation that we are bringing to the continuous manufacturing, just to make a link between the two topics, because they have to move together, no? In a parallel direction. And very interesting was the aspect for the automation of the equipments, the part of machine learning, data analytics, so all the aspects for Industry 4.0. And this is interesting as well because it was a good occasion of connection with other several companies that are developing continuous manufacturing lines. So also to see trends and how they are approaching also to be in connection with health authorities and how they are developing the manufacturing process on continuous. It's my first time here and the impression is really good. It's an amazing occasion to connect with other realities. And what I see is that even if we work maybe sometimes in different environments, different companies, we all have the same objective, the same goal. And this is good because we all want to be faster, innovative, and provide better solution for our client that in the end is the patient. So this is an important commonality that we all have. Very good impression, very supportive. It was really useful to be in contact with him up front because we received a lot of information about practical aspects, but also about topics and how we should have behaved during the Congress. And it was really useful for us before starting here.